It would be cheaper for you to overpay a contractor to seal your holes than to continually pay me month after month to do extra treatments to keep you pest free.
A fabulous bird, reborn from the ashes of its earlier life.
How dare you, insect? How dare you interrupt my ascendance?
Let's talk about how bugs get in the house. There are thousands of ways bugs can get in the house, but here are the top 3. Pipes. Look under your sink. Do you see the 3 pipes going into the wall or the floor? You have the hot, the cold, the sewer pipe. Most homes I go in have gaps around these where they go into the wall or the floor. How about the spigot outside or the gas line? If there are holes, a rodent or a bug can get into your walls. By then, they can come out the pipes under your sink. And that's right, where they want to be, where the water and food is. Once they're in the walls, they pretty much have access to the whole house. Seal it up. And 2, wires. Our homes have 1 million wires in the walls to bring us power to run a plethora of things. Those wires have to come out of the walls at some point. What about the cable wire Uncle Joe's moved for you 3 times because you wanted to rearrange the living room? Those holes are a good place for pests to get in. Your power plugs aren't sealed. Your light switch plates aren't sealed. Your light fixtures aren't sealed. Heck, most of these aren't even flush to the wall, much less sealed. All places where pests can get in. Seal it up. Number 3, doors. This is the number 1 entry for pests. I know that because of what I have caught on 1 million glue boards over 20 plus years. Look at the seams around your doors. Do you see light? If you see light, then bugs, water, and AC have free access to come and go from your home. Sometimes the house has settled and the door doesn't line up with the frame anymore. This wears out your weather stripping, which is the most common reason your doors don't seal. They are under pressure every time you open that door and close the door, so they wear out. Just replace them. The bugs are bad enough, but even worse, you get water coming in or you lose AC, that gets expensive. Seal it up. One thing you can't seal is the garage door. So don't focus on whether you have pests inside the garage or not. Focus on the pipes, wires, and doors inside the garage that can let pests into the living space. Seal it up. To keep bugs out, clean it, dry it, and seal it. You know what bugs me? Holes. But I love to kill the bugs that you have because you didn't seal those holes.
Look at me.
You're killing me, Smalls.
You're dead, alright? Can I go now?
I stand upon my desk to remind myself that we must constantly look at things in a different way.